everyone, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Pat.
And we're Calm Sea Cruise. And we made it to Honolulu, and we're actually at the White Sands Hotel, which is super charming. We absolutely love it. So really happy for the recommendation.
Yeah.
Right?
We're glad we chose it. We've stayed here. This is the morning. We've stayed here overnight. It's really a different kind of hotel. I think if you're looking for a branded hotel experience like a Hilton or a Marriott or something like that, this is not for you. It's much more a unique kind of one-off local hotel.
It is small, yep.
Small, and the people that work here are local.
So nice. Oh my goodness.
It's one of the things that I noticed almost immediately is you can tell everyone that works here really enjoys working here. And that makes such a difference, really, whether it's a hotel or a retail store or anywhere. If the people enjoy where they work, it's going to show. And the people that come to the hotel, I think, are a little different than normal.
So we got here, and our hotel wasn't ready yet, right?
Room wasn't ready yet.
Yeah, the hotel room. So they had popcorn sitting out, so we had a little bit of popcorn, and then we went to the bar. We walked around a little bit.
Yeah, we were a little early.
And then went to the bar, and it's just so cute. I mean, they have these swings around the bar, and we got well, we can tell them what we ate for the snack beforehand.
Yeah, they don't have bar chairs or stools. They have rope swings.
Which I loved. It was exercise. You got exercise as you were sitting.
I won't go as far as I loved them. They were challenging for my large frame, but they were fun. They were different. But yeah, they had like their midday happy hour going on, so they had really discounted drinks, and after our travel and our different time zone we're in, I think we were kind of both ready for a drink.
A drink
so we had a drink and some of the snacks they had, or just the food they had, and they had some. What did we have?
We had French fries and some Korean.
Some little. I hesitate to call them tacos. They're
Korean tacos.
Bulgogi, which is the Korean kind of beef with gochujang and gogari and other Korean spices on it, and rice wrapped in like nori. So it was more like almost like a. Well, it is what as described, but that was really good. And
describe the fries.
The fries.
Right?
I described the fries as, well, I'll give away my age, as junior high fries or middle school fries. There's those really good ones that have kind of a little bit of like a coating on them that makes them really, really, really good.
So they were good.
So yeah, the French fries were outstanding, and of course they were like $5 or something. So very, really good, cheap price. And the people that were around there were not like people from all over the place. They were like people from Hawaii.
The locals came.
And the pool that was there was busy, but it wasn't busy with little children and things running around. It was adults, so it was really a very charming, nice place.
Yes. And then we walked around a little bit, went down to Waikiki Beach and the International Marketplace, right?
Yep.
And then came back, and our room wasn't.
Our room still had a little bit of a delay, and the front desk was nice enough to give us a little bit of credit for the bar and food. So we're like, okay, sure, thanks. So in the evening, we went back.
Yeah, we ate there because we had, what, $50?
We had like $50 to burn at the bar. We're only going to be there for one day. So we walked around for a while and went to some things. And, we had eaten not that long ago, so we weren't super hungry right away. And we're off time-wise from the time change. So we went back, and again, I described the bar as not really a hotel bar, but a bar in a hotel. So
Yes.
the people that were there, again, were more local, or people from other islands.
From Maui.
That were just in in Oahu or in Honolulu for other things, and they always stay there because it is not expensive in compared to branded hotels.
I agree.
And it's just such a warm, nice place
charming,
to stay.
Yeah, you just felt so comfortable. I mean, we sat, swinging at the bar, and different people, came around us. Just really the nicest people, that we met around the bar, because it is in like a circular fashion, so just kind of easy way to meet people. And the one gentleman, he spends half the time in Honolulu, and he always comes to that bar, right?
Yeah.
So
you found that people from all over Hawaii, and really all over different places, but who ended up in Hawaii for work or for whatever, ended up there. So it's one of those places that people gravitated to because of its charm and its just approachability and just warm, friendly. I don't want to say it's one of those Cheers type places, but it kind of was.
It kind of was.
Where you were a friend the second you walked in there.
Absolutely.
So that's kind of unique. And again, if you're a person that's looking for a hotel for your pre-cruise stay, or you're looking for a hotel for whatever, that is formal, and you want
or you want a suite. I mean, the rooms are,
The rooms are.
We'll have a room tour.
We have a room tour we'll put up, but the rooms are very clean and nice, but they're of an age. Virtually everything in Honolulu was built in the '60s, and they're dated a little bit, but they're kitschy.
The shower was nice though. Nice shower, hot water.
Yeah, everything works well and services
and nice little lotions.
But
and
it's
stuff.
not modern, and if that's what you're looking for, you won't find it here. But if you're looking for a really warm, welcoming, friendly place to stay, that I think we can say without a doubt, when we come back here, this is where
we
we'll
would
go.
stay here. We were like, oh, I wish our kids were here. Because they would have loved it too.
Our kids are
adult
kids.
Yeah.
I don't know how appropriate or how great it would be for if you had like 10
little kids, maybe not. Yeah.
It's pretty much an adult hotel, I think. I think it would be a great place to go. Thanks again, Morgan, from the Very Unofficial Travel Guides for recommending this. It has our recommendation as well.
Absolutely.
So that's it from here. We're going to check out, and we're on our way to our cruise on Pride of America, which we'll be leaving for in about an hour or so.
Yep.
So thanks, everyone. Again, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click the like button. That helps us a great deal. And click on the notification if you want to hear our upcoming content. We're going to do a series from Pride of America that will be coming out shortly, as well as a room tour
Yep.
that details a little bit more about what's involved in this room that we're in right here, room 104,
Yep.
in the White Sands Hotel in Honolulu. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.